Alrighty everybody, so welcome back to the channel. The video you're about to watch is a video that was filmed, I would say at the end of last year sometime. I think it was August. Anyways, it's basically going to be me kind of explaining to you how to install your power steering rack. I had already done it by the time I went, hey, I should film this. So I'm gonna kind of just show you, where you mount stuff and how you have to run it and everything. It's about 15 minutes long. I do apologize. I am going to at least get the video out there. There is other videos out there that are a little bit more in depth about it. I think Surge Automotive or the guy who runs DC5 Creations. I think he has one. It's not on his website, but it's on his YouTube channel. But you can look him up. There's a few of them out there. I just had a buddy over and we, like I said, knocked it out. And then I went, I should probably film this. So hindsight 2020, didn't film it. But I'll kind of go back through and explain it to you. But like I said, the video, including this little intro on top of the other intro that comes in, it's about 15-20 minutes long. So hope you enjoy it. Next week's video will probably be putting some of the motor back together. We still have a lot of parts I got to get in before I can really do anything as far as getting it started up and all that stuff. I actually haven't been really working on the car with all these past videos. They've been videos that have been filmed a while back. And then I just finally have gotten caught up on those, editing them. So now I need to actually start doing stuff so I have content for you all. Otherwise, I'm going to be running out of content. It's going to be waiting a couple of weeks each time instead of being posted every week. So the videos may not be as long, it may not be as much to them as the other ones have been, but I will try my best. I've also went back to my main camera, Sony A7 III, and got the Rogue mics out. So hopefully those will give some better quality. I'll still use my GoPro here and there, but anyways, I hope y'all enjoy it, and subscribe. And appreciate you and all y'all that have watched so far and have subscribed. Hopefully, could get some more subscribers and we'll get more stuff done on the cars. All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. So I'm going to go over a few little things I've done, and then we'll end up doing some other stuff. But we went ahead and got the steering rack installed the other day. It's out of EP3. So basically, you have to take this bar out with 12s, and then 12s down here, 17s for the brackets, and then you pull all your hydraulic lines that come all the way over here. As you can see, mine's been leaking. And then we installed this one. The tie rod end, or the tie rods, or whatever you call them, they are the exact same. The inners are the same. The outers you need to swap over, which I have not done. I didn't know that until just recently, that apparently this is smaller on the EP3s than it is on the RSX. So I got to swap those over, but I may just get new ones. As you can tell, there's still some fluid in this one and it's leaking everywhere. And then I undid this boot and made some cuts in it. Ran the wires through. And I don't know if y'all will be able to see this. We'll try our best. As you can tell, the interior is tore apart, but where is our light that's in here? We had a light. Let me find that light real quick. Oh, well, we'll just use this. So anyways, down here behind this, you have to take out this little plastic piece wherever it's at. It's in the back. And then we ran the wires underneath. I got to push this back down
but you can see the wires in the very, very back maybe. And then they run up, and then we're spliced in to here. Mine was the vehicle speed sensor, the ignition, and the speedometer, I think. But anyways, I tuck this box up, as you can see. That's the box right there that I'm touching. So I had to unplug this sensor and sensor back here and stick the box up in there. And then, as you can tell, it's a big kind of nightmare to plug all this in. And got this secure. I'm gonna wrap these wires up so they're not just dangling out everywhere. And then that should be everything for the as you can see, there's some big wires, the green and red and the white and blue. Those had to be extended to reach out. And I just bought this off of Amazon. It's 8 gauge wire for the bigger ones, and then for the smaller ones, I think it's really 22 gauge, but I had some 18, so we just extended those, heat shrink them and everything. So I got to put all this back together, and yeah, hopefully we'll have electronic steering that's working. So that's what we've done on that, and that's just kind of a run through. There's some more detailed videos out there. It's really not that hard to do.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick.